Aditya, yesterday we heard Sharad Pawar say that this resignation is coming out from Ajit Pawar because he wants things to move smoothly, especially investigations into the irrigation scam. So to speak, with this sort of a stand that has been taken by the NCP, will it be a climb down really with the kind of pressure that we're now seeing behind Ajit Pawar to withdraw his resignation?
No, this can't be a case because there is altogether three-four theories floating, and what the sources say, the major theory is that when Ajit Pawar resigned, he consulted Sharad Pawar, but Sharad Pawar didn't give his consent to resign, and then also Ajit Pawar came forward, took a press conference, suddenly announced his resignation, and then he started, his groupism, and he started taking out people in his group, and this is the internal fight which is brewing in NCP since yesterday night, and this is going to be little disturbing for the NCP too. But we have seen in the past that the Congress and the NCP, they were not coordinating too well in the state, and that's why in the previous 2 months we saw that every month there was a coordination committee meeting between NCP and Congress. So this is a different fight between NCP and Congress, where the NCP alleges that all the allegations which are coming out, all the scams which are coming out is done purposely by Congress, which they have already said, with the sources said, and this was the main anger with Ajit Pawar. He wanted to say that this is not the way to run the coalition government, and that's why he came forward in spite of not getting the consent from Sharad Pawar, and then also resigning and going forward.
But we are already seeing a section of people in the NCP now asking Ajit Pawar to take back his resignation. Aditya Aman, many thanks for getting us all those details from Mumbai.